Welcome to our video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're going to navigate the tricky waters of justifying the cost of a new CMMS system, also known as Computerized Maintenance Management System. We'll break down the costs and value that such a system brings to your company in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key areas where a management system can significantly add value to your business and how to calculate the return on investment for such a system. Let's get started. Justifying the cost of purchasing a new CMMS system can be a bit tricky, but it's all about comparing the value that the system adds to your company to the total cost of the system. Let's start with the total cost of the platform. This is usually straightforward to calculate, as it's typically defined as an outright cost by a provider. Thanks to software as a service and cloud technologies, these costs are now commonly in the form of a subscription fee, like monthly or annual subscription fees. But what about the value of the CMMS? This is a bit more complex to measure. At a high level, this system aims to make your maintenance processes more efficient, which allows for cost savings from reduced failures and increased uptime. It can significantly add value to key areas of your business by providing a systematic approach to performing tasks. Here's how. First, it can extend an asset's lifespan by scheduling preventive maintenance tasks efficiently. Second, it can forecast labor hours effectively by reducing overtime due to inefficient work order management. Third, it can optimize inventory management by having the right amount of stock at the right time. Fourth, it can reduce production losses due to unscheduled downtime. Fifth, it can reduce utility costs by scheduling preventive maintenance tasks that allow equipment to operate at peak efficiency. For instance, HVAC systems operating efficiently reduce gas and/or electricity consumption. Sixth, it can automate manual processes to allow employees to focus on more productive tasks. And finally, it can reduce the time it takes to retrieve documents. Now let's talk about calculating the return on investment, or ROI. Given the total cost of a CMMS system and the estimated value of the system, the ROI can be calculated to characterize how much the benefits outweigh the cost. The formula for the ROI is given by the following equation. Return on investment equals value minus cost divided by cost. Such a system reduces inefficiencies by eliminating manual, time-consuming processes. It also helps to increase safety by keeping assets in check. These benefits are obviously sought after by organizations. Calculating the ROI is a powerful metric that quantifies these benefits to highlight the cost-effectiveness of having a system like ours at Upkeep. And that wraps up our video. We've explored the cost and value of a CMMS system and how to calculate its return on investment. We hope you now have a better understanding of how such a system can significantly add value to your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We're always here to help you navigate the world of maintenance and reliability. See you in our next video.